Alright, this is the study guide for map test number 3. If you're following along on a blank one, you'll want to write what I am writing. Alright, so first we're going to outline the new states that we have to memorize. Remember that for map test number 3, you'll do the entire East Coast. You'll do map test 1, 2, and 3 all in the same one. If you miss more than one new state, then you will have to retake map test number 3. Alright, so starting with our biggest one, this is New York. Abbreviation is NY. The capital is Albany. Our next state, I'm going to color it in to make it a little easier to see. So this next one right here, this is Vermont. VT is the capital. Is the abbreviation. And the capital is Montpelier. Remember, you get 1 point bonus if you also do the capital. So you do not have to spell them correctly. Just try your best. Alright, our next small state here, I'm going to color it in so it's a little easier to see which one I'm talking about. This is Vermont. Not Vermont. Lord, we already did Vermont. This is New Hampshire. Not going to be able to fit it all in. New Hampshire. The abbreviation is NH. And the capital is Concord. Alright. Our next small state is here. I'm going to color it in just so we can see it a little better. This is Massachusetts. Again, I'm not going to be able to fit it in the square. TTS. The abbreviation is MA. And the capital is the popular city in Massachusetts, which is Boston. Our next state is here, colored in so we can see it a little better. This is Connecticut. Which is CT as the abbreviation. Sorry, my cat's meowing in the background. And the capital is Hartford. Hartford. We have another very small state. It's really tiny. It's right here in the blue. And that one I am going to have to write somewhere else because we are full right here. So I'm just going to draw this little arrow. This is Rhode Island. Abbreviation is RI. And the capital is Providence. Providence. And then our very last state is the bigger one here. This is Maine. Abbreviation is ME, not to be confused with Massachusetts, which is MA. And the capital is Augusta. Your map test will be this Friday, February 5th. It will be due by midnight. There will be a 9-minute time limit. If you have any questions, please message me on Canvas.